Hello friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, we are doing a flip through of May in my Plum paper vertical columns. So let's take a look. Alrighty friends, so yes, this is a flip through of May because we are almost at the end of June now and the year is halfway over. It's just so crazy how the older you get, the days and years go by faster and faster. So starting with my May index page, as always, if I have a little bit of extra deco or I have maybe some other deco pieces from another sticker kit or book, I usually like to try to spice this little page up a little bit. So this is a little piece of deco from the Fern Creek Stickers April mystery kit from this year. You'll see I did a week of planning in May. It's such a cute, bright, bold, beautiful floral type of kit. And so I thought it was perfect for May just to kind of put it over the month there. So let's go ahead and we'll flip right into the highlights page. Alrighty friends, so I'm super excited about this. I did something similar in April where I really just sort of like splurged on using this page over here with journaling. So let me start with the kit. So this is Orange Umbrella Co. Kit 233. It's called Summertime. Again, I just thought it was a sweet, springy floral. I loved it. I love this box here. We had so much going on in May. Sophie graduated from high school. Scott and I celebrated our 22nd wedding anniversary. I had a conference that was a new conference for me that we had not done before. And so it was just kind of very exciting and all happened in 1 week. So I had a couple of projects here. I was making graduation gifts and things like that, Mother's Day gift for my mom, and then getting ready for Scott's birthday, which is the very beginning of June. So I have to kind of plan for that in May. And then I started all of my journaling. And then again, similar to what I did in April, I split the page into 2 columns, which for some reason, I don't know, it's just easier to fill a narrower column than to try to write all the way across the page. I don't know why. It's just psychological, I'm sure. Added in a couple little pieces of deco just to kind of decorate it up a little bit. And then had here, I have not gotten into this book. Like, I just need to finish it and be done with it. It's a good book. It's cute. And I know Emma really liked the series. It's a 3-book series, but I just haven't had time to read. And then just listening to my Crime Junkies podcast, which I really love. And then what did I watch in May? I watched this documentary called Bama Rush, which was all about sorority rushing at Alabama. And then House of Hammer was a documentary about Armie Hammer and all of the scandals and kind of issues that he was involved in, which I did not know about, friends. And I've seen a lot of his movies. I haven't seen all of his movies, but I had no idea. And then The Diplomat is a series with, is her name Carrie Russell? I first knew her as Felicity, the young college-aged girl that goes to school in New York City. Anyways, that's pretty good. And then Queen Charlotte. Oh my gosh, friends, this is a spin-off, limited series, very short, very easy to binge, spin-off from Bridgerton about Queen Charlotte and King George. And just, oh my God, this just made me cry. It was so good. And the final scene, like so many of us at work and my friends are talking about the final scene when they crawl under the bed and he says, hide under the stars with me. Oh my gosh. If you haven't seen this one, and if you like Bridgerton, you definitely have to have watched this, but a period piece, like I said, limited series, easy to binge, but so good. The actors in it are so good. I loved it. So yeah, just loved journaling all of this and just kind of practicing the journaling for when I kind of start using my B6 Common Planner in July. So I loved how this turned out. And just like I said, just a little couple pieces of deco just to kind of liven the page up a little bit. And then same kit, Orange Umbrella Co. Summertime for my monthly view. All of this came from the kit except for these holiday scripts are from Fern Creek Stickers. And then this cute little sticky box, this is from Saya Planning. And then I believe my little hearts here are my Saya Planning hearts as well. So I love how this turned out. I thought it was really sweet. So you can see we kind of had a lot going on. Emma came home on the same day as Sophie's baccalaureate mass, and then we had graduation, and then we had our anniversary, and then I had a conference. So I was actually setting up for the conference on Sunday night. So like I said, everything happened in like 1 week. We also did Sophie's senior portraits, which came out really, really cute. She like knew right away when I said to her, you know, where do you want to take your pictures? Because her older sister Emma did her pictures at a museum in town, and she's like, oh, I want to do them at the park in our neighborhood, Mom, where I fell into the pond when I was a baby. And she like knew right away. So it was very sweet. We have the same photographer that did Emma's, which was also very, that's always touching for me, that like, you know, I do the same for both my girls. And what was really sweet was when Sophie graduated, she walked across the same stage in the same auditorium that I did for high school. And then Scott finished his bachelor's degree out here, and he walked that same stage. And so I'm really into those like family tradition and just kind of like that legacy type of stuff. So it was really, really touching for me. But I like the way this month came out. I love this like kind of more royal blue in this kit. It's super cute. And then week 1, friends, this is a hand can plan kit. It's called Summer Cottage. And isn't it gorgeous? I had a lot going on here this week, it looks like, right? We had a conference here in the middle of the week. So I like using full boxes that have sort of the white space where you can write in. So I just kind of do the whole sort of day's agenda in a box instead of like mapping it all out. I love the way it overlapped with this plaid. A lot of this is from the kit, but I have my usual Saya planning script. So like my to-dos, my time stickers, my habits, that's all Saya planning. And then this edit upload, I've been using my Fern Creek stickers one for that. This is also Fern Creek stickers, but like this is from the kit. Trash day, payday, those are from the kit. Planner time, this is from Saya planning. And then look how I'm using the little flag sideways like that just to kind of overlap. I thought this looked really good. I like that. Vet appointment is also from Fern Creek stickers, as is taco night. But like I said, most of this comes from the kit. I ordered from The Right Place and from Mandy Lynn Plans, both new shops to me for the first time. So really excited about that. I used my Right Place. There's a kit that I'm going to use for August for a monthly. And then I did use a weekly, I think in my June planning is where I used that. So let's see. I had some big step days. This one was over 10,000. This one here, Saturday and Sunday as well. So this was how, I like how this turned out. I just think this kit is so beautiful. Like, look at this floral washi. Like, this is so right up my alley. I love hand can plan kits. They're just gorgeous. Okay, so then next week, this is an Orange Umbrella Co. kit. This is 218. It's called Spring Song. I bought this kit because of the birds. We had a dove, a gray dove, nesting in one of our bushes in our backyard around this time, and I just thought it was perfect to have this kit. So it's so pretty. I love the mix of pinks and greens. So again, most of this is from the kit with my usual scripts. Again, Saya planning, and then Saya planning here with my times, and then my edit uploads from Fern Creek stickers. These mixed scripts are from the kit. This budget time, that's from Fern Creek stickers. This Mother's Day, this is from, I think this is from either Chrissy-Ann Designs, or it might be from, no, yeah, this is from Chrissy-Ann Designs, from a book that I got from Michaels. And then the Happy Birthday, that's a custom from Saya Planning as well. Family Time, that's another Fern Creek stickers. So yeah, this was where we took Sophie's senior portraits. But I loved using the journaling pieces instead of like filling in everywhere with boxes. I just like that splash of color, kind of like a washi. And then using the TPC size boxes, I love the square shape. So I love how you get, definitely you get like the pretty patterns and the pretty colors, but you have still a lot of white space to kind of offset that. And then with these swashes of color coming in here, this is just, I love this. This is a really good look. I like this. So let's see. How did I do with steps? Here's 1 over 10. Not so great there. A little low. Here's another one. Almost. And then here's a good one. This was a big one. And then here's one that's almost there. Not quite. This is my cousin Remy. She's a hairstylist, so she does my hair. She also cuts Saya's hair now. I referred her to Saya, and then she's the one that I went to Las Vegas with. And then this is my younger brother. This is brother number 5. So that's fun. I love this kit. I just love those colors. Okay, and then this is a Saya planning kit. It's called Joyful Floral. So I have in here most of her scripts, same scripts here, and then also these ones here are again from Fern Creek Stickers, but these pieces here, because this was that week, so we had Sophie's graduation and our anniversary, I pulled these pieces here and here from Chrissy Ann Designs. I had a couple of sheets again I bought from Michael's in like a little, it was like a little binder, and it had like, you know, a page for babies, a page for weddings and graduations and that kind of stuff. And so even though this was more for weddings, I thought it still applied for our anniversary. And then more Saya habits. And then this box is from Orange Umbrella Co., this big box here. So I thought this was really sweet. Let's see, do I have some good walking days? Close. That one's over 10, that one's over 10, and then that one's 14, so not bad. This is from Fern Creek Stickers. Let's see. Oh, I liked how I layered the day off over the little brush stroke here. This was just a leftover from my hybrid album. And then this sticky box, this is also from Saya Planning. I have a whole sheet of different colors of these sticky boxes. So I thought that was great to kind of block that big graduation day. These came out cute. I like them here. This also came from that Chrissy Ann Designs page about weddings. So, and look, isn't Graduation Steve cute? So that's that. And then this one, so this is that April Mystery Kit from Fern Creek Stickers that I mentioned, where I got the little deco from for my index page. So most of this does come from the kit, with the exception, of course, all of the usual Saya Planning scripts and times, and then my Fern Creek Sticker scripts here. This little canceled was, I think this just was from a Planner Kate freebie. I thought the purple just kind of blended well when that meeting got canceled. And then a few little deco pieces. I love these ones here, like the one that I used on my index page, where it kind of can act like a header or like a washi strip, because it's kind of more linear, but still kiss cut around the shape of the flowers. Aren't these florals so cute? Like, this is so right up my alley. And then I love that Bloom Boldly. And then these ones, like I turn this on its side because it doesn't really matter. The flowers are really directional. So I like the mix of color, but a little bit of white space still kind of behind. So yeah, I did block filming here. Dinner at my brother's house. And then we had dinner with Saya and her husband at her house on this night. That was really fun. And we had my niece's graduation on this night. So this was a big week. And then Otis actually went out for a walk. And again, just trying to use those little flags. So turning them on their side and then layering them with like a script. I think that's kind of a cute look. I kind of like how that turned out. So yeah, this was a good week. I had so many cute kits this month, don't you think, friends? Okay, so then this is a duplicate week. So since most of the days fell in June, I planned this in June. And then going to, this is just notes for dinner for, I think I was taking a head count for Sophie's graduation dinner for ordering food. And then my monthly cleaning, often what I'll do is I'll order extra washi from my monthly kit so that I can use it here in the monthly cleaning page. And that's what I did. So this is again, that Orange Umbrella Co. Summertime Kit. All of my scripts are from Saya Planning, and they're specific to kind of doing the Clean Mama routine, but of course they work with any kind of cleaning routine you might do. And then I've got a bunch of spaz freebies in here that were all related to kind of housework, so I added them in. And then the functional boxes are from Planner Kate. I love this box. I have like almost every color that she did these in. I think there was like 20 some odd colors, and I have like a sheet for each. So here are the dailies and weeklies for the first part of the month. And then going into the second part of the month, I didn't kind of fill the rest of this in here, but you can see I did most of the rotating tasks, maybe not all of them. And then the monthly task was the garage basement. So Scott totally cleaned out the garage. We didn't get to my car in May, but he just did my car here in June. And then Emma is going to do all of the cleaning on the inside of my car. So that's the cleaning. And then let's go ahead and take a peek at what I did in my social media planner. Okay, so my social media planner, of course, is an Erin Condren monthly. And here's the index page. It says, let go of what you can't control and just breathe. That's a good reminder for me because I'm someone who holds their breath when I get focused or stressed or busy. I do it and I don't even know that I'm doing it. And so I have friends that will just text me, breathe. Like they just know, like if they haven't seen me do a lap around the office, or they'll walk by and go, breathe in my door. So, okay, this lovely kit for May is from Planner Kate. It's actually her last year's Mother's Day kit. It's kit 421. It's called To Our Moms. And I just thought it was so beautiful that I just wanted to bring it back and use it for my social media. You can see I didn't do so well with Instagram postings. I think I only have, 4 of them? But here's all my videos. So all of this kind of comes from the kit. And then this script here is from Saya Planning. So I plan out, my plan with me's come up on the Sunday at the end of the week that they're for. And then I try to do Clean Mama towards the beginning of the month so that any of friends following that system can get an early start or have as much time in the month to do that. I was really super excited because I got my sterling ink order in this month. And then I actually ordered a ton of stickers for that book. So really, really fun in terms of May. Even though I'm supposed to be on sticker restriction, I was just messaging with my friend Rhiannon from Mama Replans. She sent me this funny meme about buying too many stickers when we know we can't afford them. And I'm supposed to be on sticker restriction, and here I just kind of went crazy. And so here's some more of that washi. This YouTube comes from Big Elephant Plans, and then these scripts are all from Saya Planning. She did this as a custom for me, the thumbnail and the live, because you can find film, edit, and upload from most shops. She has them in her shop as well, but I wanted one for thumbnail and live, so when I make my thumbnail and all that. And then monthly kit and weekly kit, these scripts are also customs I had her do for me. I just took pieces of the washi here and then like little leftover dots from the main monthly kit to just kind of dress this page up a little bit. And then it worked out that this little bit of print here actually kind of matches pretty good with this color, and it goes well with the kit. Usually I have like a kit and then this weird swash of color for whatever month it is. But here I like to do the monthly kits. So I have 4 kind of monthly plans that I have to do. My Plum paper monthly, my budget monthly, which is a happy planner, a classic happy planner, and then my social media book, which is this one, and then the Clean Mama, which is that monthly page that we just looked at, which is in my Plum paper. And then I like to have my weekly kit. So when I'm planning for the flip through, it's super easy because I just go to this page and I'm like, okay, week 1 was this kit, week 2, etc. So I just like keeping track of it. And it's just, I love having notes about what did I actually use instead of having to flip through my planner and then go through all of my leftover kits and figure out what was what. So, and then the rest of this is just notes, friends. You see, I'm just using this, all the extra pages for when I'm planning and the things that I need to remember to say. So that's it. Alrighty, friends. So I just thought we'd come back to my May index page. We had a lot of great kits in May. I had a lot of fun planning it. It was a super busy month, and June has proven not to be any slower. So I think that's it for this video, friends. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.